Hey guys, so we're now nearly ready for the next episode of Doctor Who before the flood. So yeah, looking forward to this. Sorry if I'm a bit tired because I am. Yeah, rough week, but obviously still doing the reactions. So here we go.
So there's this man, he has a time machine. Up and down history he goes, zip, 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 getting into scrapes. Another thing he has is a passion for the works of Ludwig van Beethoven. One day he thinks, what's the point of having a time machine? You don't get to meet your heroes. So, off he goes to 18th century Germany. But he can't find Beethoven anywhere. No one's heard of him. Not even his family have any idea who the time traveler is talking about.
Okay.
Beethoven literally doesn't exist. This didn't happen, by the way. I've met Beethoven. Nice chap.
Is he breaking the fourth wall?
Of an arm wrestler. No. This is called the bootstrap paradox. Google it. The time traveler panics. He can't bear the thought of a world without the music of Beethoven. Luckily, he brought all of his Beethoven sheet music for Ludwig to sign. So he copies out all the concertos and the symphonies. And he gets them published.
What?
He becomes Beethoven. And history continues with barely a feather ruffled. My question is this. Who put those notes and phrases together? Who really composed Beethoven's Fifth?
What? Oh my god. A guitar intro. What is this? My friend was right. They were going to do something different for the intro. I was not prepared.
Where's Brennan? We need to get going.
Oh, he's still throwing off on a small step from home.
Oh.
I've been here before, in situations like this before.
Yeah, not exactly like, but yeah, once or twice.
So you've had to deal with people who are scared. What do you say to them? I'm asking what I should say to you.
Oh.
It'll be alright. Like the doctor will save us.
What you say if you believe it.
Yeah. Yeah, I do.
Yeah?
We all have to face death eventually, be it ours or someone else's.
We're not ready yet. Don't want to think about that, not yet.
I can't change what's already happened. There are rules.
So break them. And anyway, you own me. You've made yourself essential to me. You've given me something else
Oh.
to be. And you can't do that and then die. It's not fair.
Clara,
No, Doctor, I don't care about your rules or your bloody survivor's guilt. If you love me in any way,
Mm.
Doctor,
I can't say more language.
no, like you said, if you can find out why this is happening, then maybe you can stop them killing anybody else. You can save us. And you can stop it happening to you.
I'll do what I can. But the future has already happened. We've just
wouldn't move.
No, Brian, wait! Why did you come? You shouldn't have come. You never listen to anyone. It drives me mad.
To keep an eye on you. Idiot.
Who's next on the list? That list your ghost was saying, that's the order in which people are going to die, isn't it? I mean, I've only just figured that out, but you knew that all along, didn't you? Moran, Richard, Prentice, O'Donnell. I thought perhaps because her ghost wasn't there, and the future like Prentice's was. I thought maybe we're now. Maybe she stood a chance. Yeah, you didn't try very hard to stop her, though, did you? It was almost like you wanted to test your theory.
Ooh.
So who's next? Clara. Yeah. So now you're going to do something about it, aren't you? Yeah, because it's getting closer to you. You change history to save yourself, but not to save her, Donald. You wouldn't save her. This isn't about saving me. I'm a dead man walking. I'm changing history to save Clara. Twice. Well, really? When are we going to? Off the map, out of the rule book. What if I don't die? What if I refuse? I'm going to go back to the base. I'm going to save Clara because that's what I do. I don't see anyone here who's going to stop me.
Maybe the TARDIS?
Why are we still here? No. No. What? We worked half an hour backwards. I'm not.
See, I love how it's all silent whenever we're with her. We can see from her perspective. Oh, Jesus. What are you doing? Vibrations. Of course.
Drag the cage into space away from the Earth's magnetic field, but nothing to sustain them. The ghosts will eventually fade away.
Here's what I don't understand. You could change the future. You stop the Fisher King from returning.
The Fisher King had been dead for 150 years before we even got here. So once I went back, I became part of the mess. But here's the thing. The messages my ghost gave, they weren't for me. They were for me. That list. Everyone after you was random. But you being the next name, that's what made me confront the Fisher King.
And saying the chamber will open.
That was me telling me to get inside and where to set it for.
Smart.
Except that's not why I said it.
How do you mean?
I programmed my ghost Zena because that's what my ghost had said. And the only reason that I created my ghost hologram in the first place was because I saw it here. I was reverse engineering the narrative.
Okay, that's still pretty
What?
We've got both made up for this
Why? What?
Doctor, help me!
Yes, you're the very next thing on the list.
We are Vikings! You fight or you die.
They're called the Maya.
You will beg for mercy.
Rosie!
For your original outfit.
One of them, yes, why?
So it's just declared war on them.
There's going to be a war. Here's some news. We're going to win the hell out of it.
Why are you here?
I'm the doctor, and I save people.
Okay.
I'd love to
Uh,
visit
okay.
earlier next Saturday on BBC One Manhattan.
Right, I'm gonna have to watch that again, aren't I? Yeah, I think I will. I quite enjoyed it. I don't think it's gonna be the best episode of the season, but yeah, it was quite enjoyable. Would have preferred if it had more action. It definitely felt a little bit rushed, like. But I'm gonna have to watch it again to get a solid opinion of it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you more soon. Maybe in the next Doctor reaction, or maybe in the next video that I do. I was meant to do a Sherlock trailer reaction for the Christmas special, but I end up not doing that. Does anybody, a question, does anybody know when is the Sherlock Christmas special? Because I thought it was going to be this year, but apparently it might be next year. Which I'm not happy about, but yeah, can somebody please comment below and tell me when is the Sherlock special? Because I've been looking forward to that for over a year now? Yeah, okay. Okay, thank you for watching. Peace.